Welcome back, guys, to TruLite.GasProducts grilling tips. Today we're going to go over a different grilling tip, and we're going to kind of expound on it since we are on YouTube right now doing this. So what we're going to expound on today is picking the perfect grill for the area that you're putting it in and what works best for you in that scenario. So if you're building an outdoor kitchen, you're obviously going to be going for a built-in unit. If you're building just a patio area without a kitchen, then you're probably looking for something like a freestanding grill, charcoal grill, pellet grill, something of that nature. So there's things you need to know whenever you're going in to buy something or you're going into a grill shop to try and buy something. One of the first things I'll tell customers is know what you're looking for. Am I looking for a built-in grill? Am I looking for a freestanding grill? Am I looking for a griddle top? What is it that you're looking for? When going in with that mindset, it enables you to go right to the salesperson and let them know, hey, this is what I'm looking at. Cuts down on all of the kind of mid stuff that goes around when you're kind of hearing their spiel of what they sell and what they don't sell. You already know what you're trying to get, so that's what you want to go in and know. The second thing you want to kind of know is what budget range you're in. Listen, a budget is really important, not just for yourself, but for the guy who's making the sale. Typically, I've been to many different shops. Most people are going to take you to the most expensive option that they have, or whatever they're trying to fire sale out of their showroom. Maybe they bought a large supply because that's how they buy, and they need to get rid of it to meet their minimums. Well, they're going to try and push you into the grill that they have the most of. Now, that's okay if you're trying to get the best bang for your buck, but bang for your buck is great. But what are you looking for? So that's a big deal. If you're building a built-in kitchen, obviously you want to know what size you're looking for. And that's freestanding as well. Hey, what size grill is going to work in the patio that I'm trying to create? Is it going to be something of a larger 6-burner grill? Or do I need something more 2-burner? That's going to be really, really important. Other things that are really important are, knowing the reviews of the grill, knowing what this grill excels at and what it doesn't excel at. Because listen, if you're looking to do all flat top griddling, you're definitely not going to go for an open fire cooker. But if you're looking for a little more versatility, you might say, well, I'll get a grill that's got a griddle top here, and then it's got a standard cooking surface here. Most all grills are gonna have some sort of griddle attachment, and griddles are hot right now. So again, look for what you're trying to achieve in that manner. Lastly, research who you buy from. You can buy online all day long, but do they offer certified installers in your area? Do they offer warranties on their stuff that they're selling out? Are they able to complete the warranties for you? A lot of companies, again, they want to sell you product. We're great sales associates. We do all of this. That's great. But how are you going to help me after I buy the grill? Are you going to help me with my warranty if a part goes bad? Are you going to know this grill inside and out to know maybe why it's having the issue that it's having? These are things that as a buyer, you have to know. It's just the way that it goes. Again, because you can buy on Amazon, you can buy on different websites like the Barbecue Guys, Woodland Direct. You can buy from these people, and that's fine. Great people. But know who you're buying from and know that you're going to get the whole entire experience that you're looking for. When you come to Tru-Lite, you're getting the full experience. We call it the white glove experience. Now, the white glove experience is going to be from top to bottom the best experience you're going to have at a brick and mortar. From the start, you're getting knowledgeable and carrying expertise. That's allowing you to know the most about the grills that you're purchasing and what you're investing your money in. Then you get the beauty of having us doing the delivery and the installation for you. We're professional installers. So it's not, well, we've done our part, let's hand you off to a contractor. No, it's in-house trained guys that are ready to install your products for you or deliver if you're doing propane or pellet grills. The last part of it is the service aspect. We want to have a relationship for the duration of the time that you own that grill. That means when this grill here needs its annual maintenance, in 2 or 3 years, where it needs to be deep cleaned and taken care of, we're there for you. If it needs a part for warranty, you're calling me up and you're saying, hey, what's my model and serial number? Oh, I know, it's in our database. So we help you with those things, and that's the white glove experience with TruLite.GasProducts. So to recap, guys, know the grills that you're going to purchase, know where it's going to be going, know who you're buying from, and know why you're buying from them. It's not a one-time thing. It's an experience that is meant to develop a relationship, and that's what we're here for, guys. So again, you're looking for a new grill, give us a call, get into store, like, subscribe, follow us on our channels. We're always happy to give these grilling tips to you. Have a good one.